Marhaba, it's Amir speaking. In this lesson, we will learn how to say in Arabic language at any cost with different examples. So, let's start the lesson. At any cost means at all costs, no matter what the price and whatever it takes. In Arabic, we translate it as بأي ثمن or مهما كلف الأمر. بأي ثمن مهما كلف الأمر. And now, let me give you some examples so that you can understand well. So the first example is, I have to meet that guy at any cost. I have to meet that guy at any cost. I have to means يجب علي or علي. Meet that guy أن أقابل ذلك الرجل or أن ألتقي ذلك الرجل. يجب علي أن أقابل ذلك الرجل or علي أن ألتقي ذلك الرجل at any cost بأي ثمن, or you can say مهما كلف الأمر. I have to meet that guy at any cost. يجب علي أن أقابل ذلك الرجل بأي ثمن, or you can say علي أن ألتقي ذلك الرجل مهما كلف الأمر. And I've created a separate video on how to use have to and has to in Arabic language with different ways. If you want to improve your Arabic, you can watch that video as well. The link is in the description as well as in I button. And now, the next example is, at any cost, she wanted to go home. At any cost, بأي ثمن. She wanted, أرادت or كانت تريد to go home, العودة إلى المنزل, or you can say الذهاب إلى البيت. At any cost, she wanted to go home. بأي ثمن أرادت العودة إلى المنزل, or you can say بأي ثمن كانت تريد الذهاب إلى البيت. I'll find out the truth at any cost. I'll find out سأكتشف the truth الحقيقة. I'll find out the truth سأكتشف الحقيقة at any cost مهما كلف الأمر. I'll find out the truth at any cost سأكتشف الحقيقة مهما كلف الأمر. He wants to buy this shirt at any cost. He wants يريد to buy this shirt شراء هذا القميص at any cost بأي ثمن. He wants to buy this shirt at any cost. يريد شراء هذا القميص بأي ثمن. That's all today. If you like the lesson, please tap the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.